Cryptic message that has been put out on social media platform, and we're talking about social media platform X, where it is Manish Tiwari who has gone on to quote a song, a very famous song, talking about how he was benched, and so was Shashi Tharoor from that debate as far as Operation Sindoor is concerned. And Manish Tiwari there talking about his own party and as to why he was left out of that debate. Do remember that this is his nationalism pitch. In that post, he's spoken about how he is from Bharat, and that he is speaking on behalf of Bharat. Basically, of course, talking about how they haven't spoken up against the central government in regard to Operation Sindoor. Vasudha joining us from right outside the Parliament. Vasudha, take us to that cryptic message of Manish Tiwari.
Well, Manish Tiwari has posted a song that we used to sing as children on every Independence Day. And yes, this is a very famous song from one of those patriotic movies. And this is, the context here is Manish Tiwari, also a fellow delegate of Shashi Tharoor. In fact, Manish Tiwari had travelled to different countries. He was part of the multi-party delegations that were sent to different parts of the world, 33 countries. In fact, Manish Tiwari went to Egypt, Ethiopia, South Africa, but he is not part of the official list of the Congress party as its speakers in both in the Lok Sabha and of course in the Rajya Sabha. He's an MP from Lok Sabha and he has not found his name there, and that really has also hurt him. And he basically, remember that Manish Tiwari has spoken on the nationalist line, and he has also taken a position very similar to Dr. Shashi Tharoor. Dr. Tharoor also has rejected the Congress's offer as a speaker on Operation Sindoor because he clearly did not want to attack the government. He wanted to talk about diplomacy, and he wanted to talk in a unified fashion and did not really want to be seen as attacking the government, because both Manish Tiwari and Dr. Tharoor have maintained this position that diplomacy and national security is above politics. And Manish Tiwari, by putting out this cryptic tweet of a patriotic song, Hai Preet Jahan Wahi Ki Reet, and it's clear that he also is taking the side of Dr. Tharoor in this, and saying that for him the fact that nationalism comes over politics is clear, and the fact that he's not been named by the Congress party is also a sign that the party does not want its most effective nationalist speakers, who have in fact been part of multi-party delegations, to represent the party in the floor of the House.
Well, Vasudha, Bharat ka rehne wala hoon, Bharat ki baat sunata hoon is that song that he has, quoted, of course, on that message that he put out on social media site. Well, of course, Vasudha, this really comes on the heels of Shashi Tharoor there, who said, he's gone on to, from what we're hearing from our sources, is that he was approached by Rahul Gandhi's office, but he turned down that request. And the reason he turned down that request is because he did not want to toe the party's line there.
Absolutely, Divya, what we hear is that, and we know this from sources, is that Dr. Tharoor was given an opportunity to speak. He was asked by the Congress leadership. In fact, the call was made by one of the top leaders, but he had made it very clear that he does not want to take on the government. He does not want to be seen as attacking the government, because he has already clarified his position that when it comes to diplomacy and national security, and Operation Sindoor was much above politics, was beyond political face-offs, and that Dr. Tharoor made it very clear, which is why he did not speak yesterday. And Shashi Tharoor was also part of this very important delegation that went to the United States of America, and this was when Donald Trump had already claimed credit for the success of the ceasefire, and he was part of that important delegation that met several people, including J.D. Vance, and he did make an important point that to the questions that if there is any proof if Pakistan is behind these attacks, he in fact presented a dossier on as to how Pakistan has been behind every attack, every terror attack on India. So a very powerful endorsement of Operation Sindoor, defense of Indian foreign policy by Dr. Tharoor, but clearly something that the Congress party will not like, because this is something also about showcasing the Congress's view of nationalism vis-a-vis the BJP's idea and defense of its own policy and military abilities.